Hi everyone, myself Bharati, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Now I'm going to explain you how to use MATLAB in mobile. To use MATLAB in mobile, scan this QR code. It will take you to this page. Create an account in MathWork using domain ID. After creating domain ID, install MATLAB app in your mobile. Open that app and it will ask you to sign in. Sign in the app by using the account you created in MathWork page. So you will get a page like this. Now click this menu bar. There is the option files. Click that one. Now click this plus symbol in the top right corner. Now let us create a new folder. Give some name to that new folder. Now we created a folder in name Max Nanda. Click that folder and again now click that plus symbol in the top right corner, and now we are going to open a new script. Give some name to that new script. So now this is the workspace where we are going to type the MATLAB programming commands. For sample, I am going to find the sum of two numbers using MATLAB. After typing the commands in the workspace, click this triangle. It will execute the MATLAB program and display the result like this. From this video, you can learn how to use MATLAB app in mobile. Thank you.